family, Amanda here. This year, for the first time, I am going to participate in the How to Kill a Kit with Style YouTube hop that they have. It's a monthly challenge where you create a kit based on a theme, and throughout the month you try to kill the kit or use up as much of it as possible. This is supposed to encourage us to use our stash, to use things that we've purchased, and things that we just have laying around. So this month, for January 2025, the first focus for January is alphas. And immediately when I saw that, I thought of this super old paper pad that I had from Die Cuts with a View. I'll bring it here because it has this sheet of paper with some blocks on it that look like that have the alphabet. So let me find it here within the paper pad. Now this paper pad, oh goodness, is super old. So see, right? It has the blocks on it with alphas. Now I know that the challenge means to use your thickers, your stencils, your dies, things like that have alphabets with it. And I'm also going to do that because I have a ton of alphas that I haven't used. But the first thing that came to mind was this particular pattern paper that I knew that was in my stash. And so in addition to that, the challenge for this year is to bust your stash, which is something that I've already been doing on my channel, a bunch of stash busting. But for me, one of the things that I really want to work through, not necessarily just through my stash, but through my photo stash. I'm going to show you guys something here. Full transparency, not proud of it, but this is an iris case that I have full of pictures that I've printed with intention to a scrapbook that I haven't. And this is only one. This is one of two cases just like this. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. 12 in there. A few of them are missing because they're on my desk. And these are photos from 2018 and beyond, right? So 2018, some of these I have the year on, some of these I don't. I've got a bunch of COVID stuff in here. So everything is labeled, which is great. But part of this year, my challenge is to bust through some of these old pictures that I've printed. But I don't want to only focus on older photos to the point where I don't do current photos. So I'm going to try to challenge myself with being sure to do a mix of them, because you get tired doing one thing all the time. But so for myself, for this challenge, specifically for the How to Kill a Kit with Style, I'm going to focus on this paper pad, utilizing that for the month with some older photos and older embellishments. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create probably 4 double page layouts, so 8 pages total for the month that I'm going to work through. I'm going to start with 4, see if I can get those done, and then work my way up. Yeah, quite a bit to work through. So I'm going to come back and show you guys what I end up including in my kit, so that as I work through it through the month and post videos, you'll see how far we got. And hopefully, as the year goes on, I'll be able to increase the number of layouts that I'm doing as well for a particular kit. I think if I have time in a month where I'm doing a 3-day crop that I'm not hosting, I'll be able to get a lot more done then. So let's see what we're going to end up with. We are back here. I have rummaged through my stash and I have picked out some embellishments that are going to accompany this paper pack. I took a deep dive into my photos, and all of the photos I'm going to do are from 2018, before my daughter was born. So I have, of the 4 layouts that I'm going to work on through this Kill a Kit, right? So I'm going to do a layout celebrating my grandmother's birthday, a layout celebrating a trip to the fair with my niece and nephew, a layout of a family vacation to see my niece's ballet recital in Florida, and then another, just some really cute pictures of one of my nephews. So a variety of topics are going to be scrapped. So I needed a variety of embellishments, right? So I have my photos. I found this sticker sheet. I do not know where it's from, but it has been in my stash for quite some time. And it just has lots of various things on it and a rainbow color palette. So that's perfect for this. Again, I mentioned I have several family photos that I'm going to do. So I have this sticker sheet from the Paper Studio, which is the Hobby Lobby brand, right? So we'll definitely be able to utilize that. I think I may have purchased this sticker packet 1,000 times. I have it so many times in my stash. Here are some stickers about ballet. Like I said, I have some photos of my niece's ballet recital. These are just also some random cut aparts that I found in my stash that I think will go really cute for the layout I'm going to do of my nephew. So I'm going to throw that in there. We have some birthday celebrations. Here's a 6x12 sticker sheet from Jilly Bean Soup. Jilly Bean Soup is no longer in production either, so that's been in my stash for some time. Let's see. Then I have this sheet, this Echo Park 6x12 chipboard accents. I really picked it out for this ballerina girl down here, but we'll see if we're able to use anything else from it. Then I also have this Simple Stories ephemera bits and pieces. This is for teenage boys. My nephew in the picture, he's about 4, so he's not a teenager, but I do think some of the sentiments here still work for him, so I want to look at that for the layout. Then I have this Carta Bella Family Time frames and tags. It just has some really good sentiments in here about family, so I'm going to see if we can pull that through. And then I have this Chamel sticker book that is so old. I don't even remember what year. This is from 2016, okay? 2016, guys. So, and in here are lots of different things that I can use, right? We've got some phrase stickers, but we also have some alphas. And again, going back to the theme of the How to Kill a Kit with Style for January is using up your alphas. So I have these alphas. And then I broke out this Simple Stories Color Vibe alpha sticker book as well. I have this sticker book in every color that Simple Stories released. So, and because these are kind of, it's rainbow, but it's also the perfect theme color match for this paper pad as well. So I've looked through my sketches. I got the sketches I'm going to use. I've got the photos I'm going to use. I've got the paper. I've got the embellishments. I am so excited to participate in this hop. I hope that I'm able to be consistent with it. I hope I'm able to get all 4 layouts completed. I'm really proud of myself for committing, and hopefully at the end of 2025, I'll be so caught up and really excited about how proud I'm really excited and proud about how far I've come. Can't wait to see you in the first video that I am able to do with this kit. See you in the next one. Bye.